2 years ago this week, rationalist and anti-superstition activist Narendra Dabholkar was shot dead in Pune. His killers have still not been arrested. But a Marathi play by members of his organization, the Maharashtra Andhashrad Nirmulan Samiti, continues his fight against the dark side of religion. Here's a special story.
इन्होंने पत्थर मारे, हमने गोबर भी फेंका, इन्होंने गोबर फेंका, हमने जहर भी पिलाया, इन्होंने जहर भी पिलाया।
This play invokes 4 men who were attacked for their beliefs. The Greek philosopher Socrates executed for promoting a culture of inquiry, the Bhakti poet Sant Tukaram persecuted for challenging religious orthodoxy, and rationalists Narendra Dabholkar and Govind Pansare killed for opposing superstition and supporting science as a way of life.
ये आदमी का शरीर हम खत्म कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उनका विचार खत्म नहीं कर सकते। ये सोच लेकर हम इस नाटक से पूरा महाराष्ट्र और दिल्ली में जा रहे हैं।
गोविंद पानसरे अमर रहे।
Performed by all the volunteers of Andhashraddha Nirmulan Samiti, which talks about this tradition which supported the free thought and the sacrifices that had to happen for this kind of a battle, and inability of any brutal force to suppress this kind of a free thought.
The play Socrates to Dabholkar Pansare via Tukaram uses elements from Ringan, a folk dance performed by devotees of Vithoba on their annual pilgrimage to his temple in the town of Pandharpur.
लोग इकट्ठा होकर एक रिंगन बनाते हैं, तो रिंगन एक ऐसा फॉर्म है जो एक दूसरे के हाथ में हाथ लेके ही वो तैयार किया जाता है। हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमारे संवेदनशीलता के जो लोग हैं, विचारों के लोग हैं, वो इकट्ठा आने चाहिए और दाभोलकर की जो हत्या हुई है उनके खिलाफ बोलना चाहिए।
हरि ओम ओम।
Belief in miracles and black magic is still widespread in the country. Last year, 156 women were killed on suspicion of being witches. While self-proclaimed godmen and women claiming to possess supernatural powers continue to have a free run. The play, enacted by farmers, college students and teachers from Islampur, a small town in western Maharashtra, has been consistently attacked by right-wing organizations which had earlier branded Dabholkar as anti-Hindu.
So this is a very nice sentence which was coined by my father. He used to say that Amis khare dharmik. In Marathi it means that we are the truly religious people. It was very much clear to him and actually to the masses as well, that what he is talking is of making the religion more human-centric. Like it was continuously spreaded that this movement is anti-Hindu and anti-God.
When the state is seen to be promoting unscientific views, claiming the form of Lord Ganesh proves that India had mastered plastic surgery in prehistoric times, this play, Socrates to Dabholkar Pansare via Tukaram, bravely holds up the sanctity of our constitution, which states that it is the fundamental duty of every citizen to develop a scientific temper. With cameraman Rajendra Dayalkar, Shikha Trivedi for NDTV.